Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am back to share how I am journaling this week in my classic vertical happy planner. So, this is that super neutral wild style planner. It's classic size, and I am going to use this floral sticker book to decorate this week. So, I feel like I'm really getting in a groove with both actually journaling and figuring out how to really make this pop and make me excited about using it. And I actually think that is really due in part to this particular week. Now, this particular week is a little bit different because it's the week of Thanksgiving, and so I would have thought that ordinarily I might have done a slightly more traditional color palette, but instead I decided to go with beautiful florals just because I wanted to, so there's that, but also because it would just really inspire me. And that's kind of the whole point for me at this point, is to just be totally inspired. So I am layering, layering, layering. I layered that hexagon with the full box, and I also included a couple of the yellow, the little beautiful florals, and then that, I guess it's kind of a banner with the rounded edge. Now I am bringing that into both of my other points as well, using the hexagons and those big, beautiful florals to decorate those clusters. Now, I am trying to keep them just beautiful and big, and also by the same point, trying to keep them not only the rule of thirds and my visual triangle, as you can see, but then also for that right hand one with the yellow hexagon. Okay, so I've got 5 little stickers there, and it absolutely captures what I'd like it to in terms of keeping the odd number of stickers. You know, I like to do that. And then I did the same in the lower left hand as well by using that strip of florals, and it looks great, and I'm super excited about it. I think it's all just turned out really, really well, and I'm pretty darn happy about that. Now I'm going to add journaling lines, and I'm going to use not only my Tombow markers, as you can see here, this green. I've really actually super gotten into green this year, which is weird because I've been kind of a green hater for quite some time. I know. For all you green lovers out there, I apologize, but I have been kind of a green hater. But I am also going to pull in my, look at that, mild liners. That's right. Now, so if you're maybe kind of trying to figure out what to do with your mild liners, maybe you could use them for journaling as well, just like I did. I am so in love with this, and I am for sure going to use it in future weeks also, because this turned out great. As you can see from the after the pen at the beginning and the end of this video, it really just did exactly what I wanted it to, and I'm so excited since I have an entire library of mild liners. So I am alternating the colors just to make them pop a little bit more, and then also I left a white space at the top. Now, ordinarily, I'm sort of planning that I will do some decorating, additional decorating there, or if I have more journaling. Newsflash, this week I just kind of forgot. I got in a hurry, and I would have preferred to add a little bit more decoration in that spot, but it's okay because I'm still learning, I'm still figuring my way, and this week I just forgot I was trying to get some stuff done, and it happened. So there you go. So we're back. Can you see how awesome that is, with not only the staggered lines, keeping it more whimsical and playful and casual, but then also how that pop of color just really draws your eye in. And I'm really excited about that, since that's what this is all about in that journaling. I love it. I love it. I love it. Hope you do too. And the yellow and green is a really fun play on the stickers as well, since we're using a lot of that in addition to the bright pink. So that is it for this journaling with me this week. I kept it pretty simple and leaned really heavily on those lines, but that's awesome because this is just a quick way to figure out how to use an extra happy planner if you have one, or if you've been wanting to journal, how you can use a happy planner to do that. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, please leave them in the box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Otherwise, make it a great day.